What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to get a 2019 VW Tiguan unlocked, opened, and started if the key fob dies. So like I said, it's a 2019 Volkswagen Tiguan in this video, but it will be the same on several different years. So I've taken the battery out of our key fob to demonstrate. As you can see, none of the buttons are working and the vehicle's locked. So the first thing we're going to do on our key fob is flip out the key blade like that. Then taking a look at the driver's door handle, if we look under here, you can see there's this little notch right here that I'm touching with the end of the key. So what I'm going to do with this hand is pull the door handle open just a little bit. Then I'm going to stick that key up in that notch and pull it back like this. So stick that up in that notch and then pull it back. And as I do that, it pops that cap off there. Now I'm going to take my key, put it in that slot, turn it to the left or counterclockwise to unlock. I'm going to go ahead and flip my key blade back down. Now, as soon as I open the door, the alarm's going to start going off. How I'm going to stop the alarm is I need to put the ignition to the on position. How I'm going to do that is without pressing the brake, press the stop start button. Then I'm going to hold the key fob up to the right-hand side of the steering column. There's a little mark of a key. And then that should turn the alarm off, and then we'll be able to start the vehicle. I'm going to show all this to you. I'm just going to be going kind of quickly, and the alarm's going to be loud. All right, let's go ahead. So get in, press the stop start button, and we're going to hold our key fob up to the... And then once the ignition goes into the on position like this, as you heard there, it stops the alarm. And then from this position, we can just start the vehicle as normal. And then once the vehicle starts, you'll be able to drive as you normally would. And then the only other thing you'll want to do is to make sure that you replace the battery in your key fob as soon as you can. And we'll take one more look here of that key icon you can see right here. It just went up on there like that. And you may have to move it around just a little bit, but obviously you'll know when you get to the right spot because the alarm will turn off. And the final thing we'll take a look at is how to put this cap back on. So what I'm going to do is just open this door handle, and I'm going to hook the right side on first like that, and then it just snaps right on. So that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.